We at Keytronics India Private Limited have been collaborating with our esteemed customers for past 30 plus years to explore a variety of advanced input devices which meets your needs for optimal durability, functionality, aesthetics and cost effectiveness. We are Keytronics India Private Limited and we manufacture advanced input devices, functional printed electronics, smart touch switches, and also offer optical bonding solutions for some of the most important industrial sectors in their critical applications. With our relentless process of innovation and upgradation, we have brought these products to the world standards of quality and excellence. That's the reason they are trusted by some of the national and international OEMs. When numbers speak, they speak volumes. That's what Keytronics is for you in a nutshell. We export our products to the countries which are already well known for their technological advancements: Mexico, Belgium, Germany, Netherlands, Spain and China.
Looking forward towards the advancement happening in the field of input devices and sensor technologies, Keytronics has decided to invest into the machines and human resources required to meet the growing demand of our customers. In 2024, we have decided to invest into the machines which are required for optical bonding, for the touchscreens and the LCD displays, which is the need of the technology.
We care about our employees' health, safety and work environment to keep them happy and motivated towards the goal. Our frequent internal and external trainings and motivational programs, rewards and accolades on their achievements are the part of our regular activities.
The work environment of Keytronics is designed in such a way where ideas flow freely and they are shaped into new innovations. People are at the core of every function at this organization. They ideate, they share, they design, they deliver, and they prosper together. We are committed to the technology that is ahead of its time, and that's the reason why we strive for the futuristic designs at our R&D center. We acquire new trends and keep ourselves ready for the challenges of tomorrow. This is achieved by visit to various exhibitions all over the world. The durable raw material sourced from the trusted partners is the further step, and it is also checked thoroughly upon its arrival. We don't just meet but exceed the highest standards of excellence. By utilizing state-of-the-art in-house technology, we ensure that every aspect of our process is refined and perfected. Our inline automated screen printing presses deliver unmatched precision and efficiency. Large format digital printers bring vivid designs to life with remarkable detail and also reduce the pollution. High-speed laser cutting machines guarantee every component fits flawlessly down to the micron. Die cutting and embossing presses add the final touch, ensuring athletics, ease of operation and reliability. From screen presses to tooling, every step is meticulously planned and executed. This dedication empowers us to consistently deliver superior quality, setting new benchmarks in innovation and craftsmanship. Quality is our cornerstone. Every product undergoes rigorous testing twice in our stringent quality control process. Utilizing advanced testing machines from Ban Air, UK and Tricor, USA, our QA team ensures the highest standards at every stage. We provide customers stocking solutions to ensure timely delivery and efficient inventory management. We use the state-of-the-art latest web-based ERP system. To bring the best in our workforce, we organize various workshops and training to keep them updated with the changing world, both technologically and spiritually. We are proud to have more than 60% women in our team. And the best part is most of our team members are with us for more than 15 to 30 years. Safety comes as our prime concern, and we have all the necessary tools and guidelines at place. Our team members are trained from time to time to make aware of the upgraded industrial safety norms. We also organize regular health checkups for our employees and guide them to take care of their well-being. Thinking futuristic doesn't only remain to technology or our products. We are committed towards reducing carbon footprints. 10% of our electricity consumption is generated from rooftop solar panels. We manufacture vermiculture and compost to grow these beautiful plants. Our people enthusiastically plant the grown-up trees on the hills of Pune. We scientifically treat hazardous water before sending it to the sewages. We also separately manage e-waste, paper waste and hazardous waste and send for recycling. Every drop of rain that falls on our rooftop is utilized with the rainwater harvesting facility. Our relentless pursuit of excellence has earned us numerous awards and accolades, reflecting our dedication to quality and innovation. We believe that we are still able to push our limits every day. We are not just meeting the industry expectations, but we strive to go above and beyond them. Come, join us on this journey to provide the best input device experience to your customers.